Hi everyone, welcome back to Messy and Beautiful. I'm Sarah Jane, thanks for joining me. You might remember from another video of mine that I'm doing an advent calendar unboxing, so I'm just going to get stuck in. If you haven't seen the other video, then do go and check it out. I've got days 2 to 6 and day 1 is with my Christmas planner setup. I've got an advent calendar from Peach Puddles Co. I did buy this even though I PR for them, just because I really love the products and it's really exciting for me to get all the Halleys. And day 6 so far has been my absolute favourite. I'll leave a discount code in the description box for you if you wanted to go and grab 10% off a £5 order, and that's just for the products, that's before shipping. In the other shop I've got an advent calendar from is Little Pencil Design, again just because I love Flump, and I again have bought it all myself. I don't have a discount code for them, it's just products that I love sharing with you guys. So let's get started because you know me, I'll rabbit on forever. So we'll start with Peach Puddles Co today because it's the one in front of me. So 7th of December we get little Halley boxes. They've all got snowflake backgrounds as well. I don't know how close I need to hold this for you to be able to see it, but you can see all of the like snowflakes in the background, which is really cool. I love those. I really like the colour as well. It is like a wintry blue. And if you've seen my Christmas planner setup, they will go very well towards the back of my planner. So then Little Pencil Design. This feels different. I like the different shapes and sizes of products because you never know what you're going to find inside. Not that I don't love a sticker sheet because I absolutely hoard stickers. Oh, that's so cute. So one of the characters from Little Pencil Design is Hallow, and it's the little ghost here. And it says, hug from Hallow, a ghost hug is the best kind. You can't always see it, but it's right there for you. That's really sweet. So it's got like a metal background. It doesn't feel like it's going to be magnetic or anything, but it'll be good for like washi cutting, as well as just, you know, decoration for your planner. That's definitely going to live either in my planner cover or on my desk. I haven't decided yet. But another 2 really great products there. So just diving into the 8th of December today, I'll just get stuck in because again I can talk and talk and these videos get longer and longer every time. So first one's Little Pencil Design. Oh, and it's a birthday countdown, that's so cute. I love this big happy birthday sticker, that's so sweet. We're past my birthday so it'll be in my stash for a while. I mean, it does say till birthday, it doesn't say my birthday, so actually I could count down to someone else's birthday in my family. That's really exciting. So that's pretty cool. I love Flumpy with his birthday cakes, and the balloons. That's so cute. I've already got some birthday stickers off Flump, so now I've got a full set of them. So that's really adorable. And then the next one is Peach Puddles Co. So they're like positivity quotes. It's like rose gold foil. They're really lovely. So Beth's put the poppy on here as well. So she did a whole poppy release. It was a charity thing. I think raised almost £300 off the top of my head. So she did really, really well with that. And actually she's put the little poppy on here. So it's quite a nice little reminder that we do nice things for other people as well, at times. Life is tough, but so are you. Never give up. You can and you will, and grow positive thoughts. That's so cute. Very good for New Year as well, you know, when you start to feel a little bit more positive about the year ahead. And hopefully next year will be a more positive year for us all, because we've all had a rough year in different ways. And it'd be nice to see 2021, which feels very odd to say, be a little bit more positive. So there we go, that's day 8. So here we go again with day 9 of the advent calendars from Peach Puddles Co and from Little Pencil Design. I'm just going to get stuck in to both of them. For Peach Puddles Co first. Look at those. The colours on those are incredible. I've got a good idea for these actually. I'll share it on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me if I get round to doing it. I've got a lot going on at the minute. But I just absolutely love these presents. I love the colours. That's one thing about Beth's shop. She does loads of things in the colours that I love, like purples and greens. and even down to the finer detail, like that one's got a little gift tag on it and that one's got the edges of the bows on it. That's really exciting. I hope the rest of the Christmas release from Peach Puddles Co arrives at my house really soon, because I really can't wait to start using all the Christmas Halleys. And I don't want to run out of time either, but it's my fault because I placed an order like a week after it was released. I'll stop jabbering on. That's day 9 for Peach Puddles Co. And then day 9 for Little Pencil Design. These look little. How cute are they? I'm just going to double check that there's 2 because they're so tiny. I mean, they're not tiny. They're a decent size. Have I got anything to compare it to? Here. So that's like the size of a washi tape. So they're not tiny at all. I completely exaggerate. But either way, there's like a Sleepy Hallow. I think that's Hallow just because of the nose and the like wavy line at the bottom. And then Little Flumpy in a festive hat. We know I love Flumpy in a festive hat already. I've got him as a felty clip on my Christmas planner. So there we go. I'll just move that one out of the way because that didn't come with it. So that's Little Pencil Design, and that's Peach Puddles Co for the 9th of December. So day 10 of my advent calendars from Peach Puddles Co and Little Pencil Design. I know I say the shop name every time I come on. It's just a habit because I'm so used to like doing individual videos. So I'm sorry that I keep repeating myself. They're now definitely different shapes and sizes. This one is much bigger than your like average sticker sheet, and this one I have a feeling I already know what it is because I've given it a squish. But let's get stuck in. So day 10 from Peach Puddles. It is... Oh, look at that. That is so cute. Hallie as... Oh, knocking my light. Hallie as Father Christmas on a journaling card. That is adorable. I just love her. I just think she's so cute. This doesn't feel that like thick. It doesn't feel as thick as a journaling card, but actually if you bend it, it's really sturdy. I really love that. That's so cute. I love this size journaling card as well, and I've got plans to try and use up more of them next year too, but I think I might punch this and put it in my Christmas planner. And maybe not use the back of it so I can use it again next year as well and really make the most of it. But who knows what is to come next year. The rate that these girls are going, it's going to just be incredible next year. So this one, I already know what this is, from Little Pencil Design, is a washi tape. I knew what it was because I gave it a squish so I could feel the product in there, but oh my goodness, I've got to get into this. Wow, these two, they're like 2 of my favourite products so far, I think. Try and get into it quickly so you don't spend ages watching me again fail at unwrapping presents. My family must really hate me, mustn't they? So it's Flumpy Washi and it's all ready for Valentine's Day. This is kind of going to be like my Valentine's Day quota, I think. But look, how cute is that? So you've got Flumpy with a box of chocolates, Flumpy with a bunch of flowers, Flumpy is Cupid, and then it goes back to Flumpy with a box of chocolates. And it doesn't repeat. So it's actually like a pattern instead. That's like they alternate, if that makes sense. So it's like a pattern of 5, I think. Yeah, so it's a pattern of 5. So those 2 swap round with each other, and then every third one is one of these. But it's got candles and the little balloons, and these are like foiled hearts. That is adorable. I'm absolutely loving my Flump washi. I've got most of them so far. I didn't buy the Halloween one because I didn't think I would use it with all the other Halloween tape I already had. But other than that, I think I've bought most of them. But how cute is that? So 2 really, really fantastic products today. I love day 10. These are like the best products. I mean, they're not the best products because I've got other things that I love already from both shops. These advent calendars are amazing, and I sort of wish I wasn't like putting things away as I went along, and I kept them all and didn't use any of it so I could show you the whole like selection in one go at the end. But I think it might take a lot for me to try and track down everything because some stuff I've started using already. But yeah, I can't wait to see what's in store, because if we're not even halfway through yet, you know, we've got 2 more days until we're halfway through, so I can't wait to see what's going to come. But these are just adorable. I can't get over it. I'm still like all excited. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for day 11. So here we go, guys, 11th of December already. I can't believe how quick this month is going. I'm just going to get straight onto it and get stuck in. This is Little Pencil Design, amazing. Some annual leave script stickers, just what I need for next year. That's lovely. And then number 11 from Peach Puddles Co. is, I can sort of see through the bag. This looks so cute. Some little Santa hats. Look at those. That's adorable. I'm just thinking you could turn like any character you wanted into like a Father Christmas type sticker just by putting a little hat on them. They're so cute. That's amazing. So that's day 11. So here we go, day 12 of my advent calendars. I'm just going to get stuck right into it again. It's just quicker this way. The first one's Little Pencil Design. Oh, look at Flump. How cute. It's like a little Easter kit. So we've already had a mini kit for Pancake Day, and now we've got a mini kit for Easter as well. I love this little one. That's so cute. That is adorable. Yeah, that's really sweet. I like that one. And then this one is day 12 of Peach Puddles Co. I am told that this is one of Beth's favourites, so I'm really excited to get stuck into this. And let's have a look. Oh, how adorable is that? So if you don't know already, Peach Puddles Co. do like limited edition die cuts, and they're all in a jar. I've got a few to hand actually, now I think of it. I've been sort of collecting them, so they are limited edition. And this is a Christmassy one of Harriet of North Pole Bakery. That is so cute. Look at the little gingerbread house too. I love the snowy effect on it as well. That's so adorable. He's cute and adorable about 8,000 times already, haven't I? But I just can't help myself when it comes to Hallie. I can't help myself when it comes to Hallie. I just love her so much. So yeah, that's day 12. I hope you're enjoying these unboxing videos. I have now hit over 200 subscribers, so I just also wanted to say thank you very much to everyone that has subscribed so far. And if you haven't subscribed, then do hit the subscribe button down below. It's a real pleasure to have you come back time and time again so that I can keep doing this. It gives me a reason to keep going. But yeah, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time for the next instalment of the Advent Calendar unboxing. Take care. Bye.